here we are. It's been about 5 days since my last video. I just, however, got the chance to post it. You guys are usually pretty familiar with everything that we've got going here if you follow along. My transplant carrot, my sorrel, which is starting to look great again, the rosemary, the sage, the onions, green and yellow, more carrots. I did go ahead and finally move past the corn that was just stunted. It wasn't going to work. So now we have some sunflowers, and they're going to start growing along. Gonna have to split up some of the lemongrass pretty soon because it's starting to bifurcate more, which is good. Also, I found out that there is another stalk coming up on my banana tree. So I was wondering why it slowed down. It looks like it's splitting into 2 stalks, which I'll take. I will take that all day. The new items are actually the rack itself, just to go ahead and give myself more area and more light and easier care. I have this. I have my glow lights now hooked up to it. Grow lights, I'm sorry. But I'm really liking how this looks now, because it's just a pretty nice wall of plants in front of my house. And at some point when I need one, or I want one, or one's ready, I can just come out here and pick it off. So I did also make some rosemary salt. Great for steaks, great for chicken, great on the barbecue. And so I did that because I had plenty. I still have plenty. I'm not going to run out of that anytime soon. And we went ahead, took a little more care for our broccoli. Little baby broccoli going on right there. And you can see the buggies. Not these ones. They live in it. But snails. Snails are crazy. They just keep coming. So I just wanted to give you this update while I have time, because the way work's going right now, I just don't know. The hibiscus moving along very well. The ants really seem to like the buds. And not quite sure why. It looks like we have some mites on this one. Probably gonna clip that all off right there, because we don't want that. That's not good. So this was just a little quick update again, just so you see the little nubbins of those Brussels sprouts coming along. Can't wait to be able to go ahead and start picking those off later on in the year. It's gonna be fantastic, because it's one of my favorite veggies, sauteed with a little bit of lemon juice, garlic, salt, and pepper. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Alright, well, until I catch you again, like and subscribe if you want to follow along and just see the way everything changes around here and the way everything grows.